Hello, good morning, everyone. I thought I'll give you a little break. I think there's a class that follows mine. I'm sorry. Uh, it's a it's not a theory class, so I need to take some time for you. Good morning, everyone. Juniors, smile. A nice big smile, as wide as you possible. Yeah, everybody. We start with a very big smile. Are you ready? Okay. Just giving you a little time to log on. Class C. Yesterday, I stopped doing the problem because it was sort of what we call in transportation an unbalanced problem. There were more operators and less machines. Now, we are not doing problems for the sake of doing problems and saying, like, if this is the case, we are not doing it. Murtaza, good morning. We are not doing a problem just for the sake of doing a problem, finding a complexity in a problem and solving it. No, we are not doing it like that. We are MBAs. We have to do problems that are practical, all right? And we have to solve, Rima, good morning. We have to solve problems that are practical. We Impractical problems and complexities in our problems are not our thing. We are doing operations research in order to we are doing Shilpi, good morning. We are doing operations research in order to make decisions, not for making complications in the problem. So I avoided that problem. It's not necessary. But today I will give you a problem which is very famous, as you have seen. Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. Anymore, I'm not saying good morning. We have to concentrate. It's a operations research problem. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, everybody. I love you all too. Okay. Now give me time to this thing. You can give me all your Ganesh. Yes. Good morning. You can give me all your love and messages after I finish. Please let's concentrate. Okay. Let's concentrate. Now, yeah, I love you all too. I'm missing you all too. I know you want to see me. I want to see you all too. But you can see me, right? I'm the one who's missing you all, not you. You can see me, isn't it? Okay, here we are. Now, class, I'm talking to you about the salesman problem, traveling salesman problem. See, the problem is like this. There is a salesman. He needs to go to several cities, let's say four cities, and we'll call them A, B, C, D, like as in the problem I'm going to show you. Now, he has to, please remember, the first point is that he has to go to all the cities compulsorily. All the cities he has to go. But he should not repeat his trip. Like he has to go from A, B, C, D. All the cities have to be compulsorily visited. But he should not go to A and then to B, repeat to A, then go somewhere. No, that will waste his time and efforts. So the traveling salesman, you have to say in this traveling salesman problem, from where he should go to which city, and like that. Do you understand? It's not necessary to come back, but he has to travel. All right, but he should not go to one city more than once because it will waste his time and efforts. Now, when we send a salesman to do, say, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and say Chennai, then where he should go first? He shouldn't go to Chennai, then go to Kolkata, come back to Chennai, something like this, because it will waste his time and waste our resources, etc. So, this is the problem. All right, all be ready. We are doing the good morning, Ganesh. We are doing the traveling salesman problem. Now, solve the following problem. Okay, it's a traveling salesman problem. I explained to you what it is. Okay, now there is a particular period of time also you have to see. All right, once again. Now, see, when he goes from city, wait, I'll tell you now, write down. One, two, three, four, five columns. Everybody, five columns. The first column heading will be from city. The heading of the first column will be from city. I heard that there are colleges, students from other colleges watching. You're welcome, guys. I'm your teacher too. I suggest my students to tell them to see my live video itself. And again, you can see if you want. Instead of forwarding, no, let them come online properly. Right? Okay, from city. Ready? Now, the next four columns have a common heading. The common heading is to city. All right. So, I'm going to give you from city to city. Now, in the second column, the heading is A. Next column, heading is B. Next column, the heading is C, and the last column is D. So, it will look like this: from city to city. Now I will rule. Please rule. Now under from city, naturally you have to the same four cities. So from city A, B, C, D. All right. Now, if you will say, uh, catch you, Shilpi. I'm sure you're going to say this first. From A to A. No sense, right? So there you have to put a sign like this, infinity sign. All right. So under A, you have to put infinity sign, then 26. This is the cost involved. Okay, this is the cost involved: 26, 67, 25. Next, under B, 31. Now again it is B to B, so an infinity sign. I'll put it properly so that you can see it. You must be confused. Wait, guys. All right. So C to C also will be like that. D to D also will be like that. Now under B you have 31, then the infinity sign, then 17, 25. C, under C it is 1, 35. Next, infinity sign because it is C to C. Then it is 21. D, 25, 25, 45, and again the infinity sign. Alright? So your problem is, this is the first traveling salesman problem you're doing. So you have from city A, B, C, D to city A, B, C, D. A to A is the infinity sign. Since I have not put it properly, you can see it in B to B, C to C, and D to D. So no traveling there, no cost involved. That's why you have to put it as that infinity sign. All right. How do we do this problem? Solution. All right. Everybody copied the problem. Do you want to copy it again, or you copy it later? I don't want to waste time telling you to copy it again. If you want, take a pic in your photo in your phone and keep, so that you know the original problem. You can copy it later. Take a picture. Ready? Then you can write it later in your fair. You need the original problem before you work it out. That's why I'm saying take a picture. You can write it later. Or if you have time, those are very quick or must have, or leave a place for it. Alright? Ready, class? We do first the row subtraction, which is the least number 1. So your row will be infinity. 31 minus 1 30, 1 minus 1 0, 25 minus 1 24. Is that clear? The first row will be infinity, 30, 0, 24. Which is the next lowest number in the next one? 25. So 26 in the second row, 26 minus 25 is 1. Infinity, you have to leave it like that. 35 minus 25 is 10. And 25 minus 25 is 0. You don't have to touch the infinity. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm still finding it difficult. Okay. Now, third row, the lowest is 17. All right. So we use 17. 67 minus 17 is 50. 17 minus 17 is 0. Infinity you don't touch. 45 minus 17 is 28. All right. The last column is 21. So 25 minus 21 is 4. 25 minus 21 is 4. 21 minus 21 is 0. Infinity stays like that. Alright. Now, do you have a 0 in every row? Yes. Do you have a 0 in every column? In the first column, you have a 0? No, you don't. So column subtraction is possible. First column, it is 4. Second column, there is a 0. Third column, there is a 0. Fourth column, there is a 0. So I can do column subtraction only in the first column, and first column least is 1. Alright? So 26 minus, 1 minus 1 is 0. 50 minus 1 is 49. 4 minus 1 is 3. So your problem will look like this. Infinity, I'm talking about first column, infinity, 0, 49, 3. Then you go to the second column, 30, infinity, 0, 4. Yeah. Can you allot? First one, A to C, B to A, C to B. No, you cannot allot, isn't it? So we have to go ahead. Then, how many rows are there? 4. How many columns are there? 4. How many allotments we cannot make? We can make only 3 allotments. So it's not possible. We'll go ahead and we use our problem like this. We make it. We join the when you cannot see. First, you have to do row subtraction, right? Once you do row subtraction, you if you do not get it, then you must see the columns. In the columns, if you do not get all the columns, there are no zeros, then you can do column subtraction, as is just now. Okay. So what do we get now? Now all the row subtraction are over. All the rows have a 0. We cannot do it. All the columns have a 0 now. There was only one column without a 0. We used it. So no. So next we have to join the zeros. Okay. We will join the zeros. First row, there is only 1 0. No, let's not touch it. Second row, there are 2 zeros, right? So in the second row, you draw a horizontal. In the second row, draw a horizontal. Third row, no, there is only 1 0. Fourth row, there is a 1 0. What shall we do? Hmm. First row, first column, 0 is taken care of. Second column, 0 is not taken care of. No. Third column, there are two zeros. Third column, there are two zeros. So we'll put a line in the column C, third column. All right, column C. It's not exactly the third column. All right. Now, what do we have? First row, all the zeros are there's only 1 0. It is covered. Second row, there are two zeros. They are covered. Third row, there is only 1 0. It is not covered. So we'll draw a horizontal line in the third zero. All right, third row. You can put a vertical line also, but I'll draw a horizontal line. All right. Now, look at all of you, look at your numbers. Which is we'll see first row, which is the uncovered number. In the first row, which is the uncovered number? 30 and 24. Second row, all the numbers are covered. Third row, all the numbers are covered. Fourth row, there are two numbers uncovered, 3 and 4. So, which is the smallest number? 3. Is that clear? I repeat, we will see the uncovered numbers now, 30 and 24 in the first column. First row, I'm repeating. In the first row, the uncovered numbers are 30 and 24. In the second row, all the numbers are covered. Third row, all the numbers are covered. In the fourth row, we have uncovered numbers 3 and 4. So the smallest number here is 3. All right. So draw another matrix. Draw another matrix, guys. Right there, from city. Under that, write A, B, C, D. You then write to city. Again, you write column headings will be A, B, C, D. Excuse me for a wee bit. Sorry. Yeah. So there we are. Already? Okay. We'll do it, I think, row by row. Yes. First column, first row, infinity. Please write infinity. Next, it is 30. 30 is an uncovered number. An uncovered number has to be subtracted from the smallest uncovered number. The smallest uncovered number here is 3. So 30 minus 3 is 27. Next, you have a 0 and you have an uncovered number 24. 24 minus 3 is 21. Come to the second column, second row. 0 is a covered number, so you write it 0. Infinity, write it infinity. Next, 10 is a number at the intersection. There, that smallest uncovered number has to be added. The smallest uncovered number is 3, so 10 plus 3 is 13. Next, 0 is an covered number, so you leave it as 0. Next column, 49 is a covered number, we leave it as it is. Sorry guys. April is summer, isn't it? Okay, 49. Then the covered number is 0. Next, you get an intersection number, infinity, but There is nothing we can do at the infinity. Leave it as infinity. Next, you have a covered number 28. Leave it as 28. Last column, you have an uncovered number 3, isn't it? What do we do with an uncovered number? We minus it, right? 3 minus 3 is 0. 4. 4 minus 1 is minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next you have a covered number and that is 0 and last is infinity. So your problem will look like this. 1 minute. Right? Your problem will look like this. The row wise infinity 27, 0, 21, 0, infinity 13, 0, 49, 0, infinity 28, 0, 1, 0, infinity. So now we look at allocation carefully. It is pretty clear, isn't it? Yeah. The first one, we will, there's no choice, no? So A to C, isn't it? A to C. Next one has to be from C, no? C to B. Never mind. Now, if we give, here there are two choices, you leave it. Come to C. In C, we give it to B. Alright? Now we have to do two things. See, in B, you can give A or D, and also in D, you can give to A or C. So it would be wise to give from B to D, from B to D, and D to A. So your answer will be like this, right? A to C, comma, B to D. I'll show you, wait, don't write. C to B, comma, D to A. See, actually, if you see it, it should be A to C, C to B, B to D. Yeah, this is the allocation I'm showing you. But practically, class, if you were a business manager, you would tell him to go like this. Go from A to C, all right? Then C to B, B to D, and then D to A back. Yeah? Great. See, the first line I told you A to C, that is according to the allocation I've done. Then I've done B to D, then I've done C to B, and D to A. Practically, if you were a manager, you would tell him, you start from A, maybe you are in A, alright? A to C, C to B, B to D, D to A, you're back, alright? Okay. Now, we can anyway write the thing would be the same. Write down the least cost root, least cost root table. Alright? Make a table from, I'm saving space on my paper, from A to, you can write in the, as you did the allocation, A to C, that would be cost in rupees, 3 columns class, from to, and cost. Is that clear? From, to, and cost. From A to C, 1 rupee. A to C is 1 rupee. Then you have B to D. B to D is, how much is it? 25, isn't it? B to D is 25. Then you have C to B. C to B is 17 rupees. And then B to A, that is 25 rupees. 68 rupees. Yeah? Okay? This is your traveling salesman problem. First, shall I give you a problem that you can do at home? I would like you to do it. And I'll give you the answer as well. Yeah? Right, ready? I'll give you a problem. You do it. In the following, write down, in the following traveling salesman problem, in the following traveling salesman problem, I will write it down for you. Find the best cycle, find the best cycle, and find the total minimum cost required. Write down, everybody. From the following traveling salesman problem, find the best cycle and find the total minimum cost. Ready? Right. From city, I'll show you afterwards. From city, A, B, C, D, E. If you want, I'll work it out. We have time, I think. We'll do it quick. Okay? A, B, C, D, E. To city, A, B, C, D, E. Write quickly. Draw. Ready? Um, Under A, you have A to A is infinity. If you want to write A to A is infinity, B to B is infinity, C to C is infinity, D to D is infinity, and E to E is infinity. Please finish it. Now, in A, you get infinity, 9, 12, 8, 9. In B, you get 9, infinity, 11, 8, 9. In C, you get 12, 11, infinity, 12, 10. In D, you get 8, 8, 12, infinity, 12. And in the last one, you get 9, 9, 10, 12, infinity. Now I know I did it a little fast, so I'm going to show it to you. Please copy. I will not talk because you see and copy quickly in case you missed. Everybody finished? Now, which is the smallest in the first row? 9. Second row, sorry, 8. Sorry, guys. The first row is 8, second row is 8, third row 10, fourth row 8, and the fifth row 9. Come on, quickly do the row subtraction. Infinity, 9 minus 8, 1. Wait, I'll do, you do 2. So you get like this. You will get infinity, 1, 4, 0, 1. I repeat, the first row, infinity. Sorry, guys, these vendors now. Infinity, 1, 4, 0, 1, 1, infinity, 3, 0, 1, 2, 1, infinity, 2, 0, 0, 0, 4, infinity 4, 0, 0, 1, 3. Now look at the uh, columns. First row has 0, second row has 0, third row does not have a 0, isn't it? So we can do column subtraction, yeah, only for third column. The third column, the least one is 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Infinity. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have only in the third row you have 3 to infinity 3 0. I'll show you again. I did row subtraction. Then every row had a 0. So we couldn't do anything about it. Then we did column subtraction. First column we cannot do subtraction because there are already zeros. Second column there are zeros we cannot do. It makes no sense to do column subtraction. Third column we did not have a zero. The least one was 1 and there's the subtraction now. Alright. Now we have to add the zeros because allocation is not possible. We have to do the zeros. Which zeros can I do? In the first row, there is only 1 0. Don't do it. Don't do anything. Second row, there is only 1 0. Third row, there is 1 0. Fourth row, there are 2 zeros. Horizontal line in the fourth row, horizontal line. Fifth row, horizontal line. Now we have still to, yeah, easy. Fourth row, vertical line, and 1 0 is left in the fifth column, so vertical line. Class, I drew two horizontal lines in the fourth row and fifth row, and I drew two vertical lines in column D and E. I repeat, in row, fourth row, D, One second. Once again. Give me a minute, class. Yeah. I have drawn a horizontal line in the fourth row and fifth row. One second, class.